We don't always go to electronic sound generators for our basic sources of sound. We spend quite a lot of time trying to invent new sounds, and sounds that don't exist already, sounds that can't be produced by musical instruments. If the sound we want is already in real life, say, we can go and record it. Using all of these, we can build up any sound we can possibly imagine. If the sound we want exists already in real life, say, we can go and record it. Using all of these, we can build up any sound we can possibly imagine. Go to these sound generators here, electronic generators, and using all of these, we can build up any sound we can possibly imagine.